Hello everyone, good afternoon. So today our topic is plant protection appliances. So it's a first part. Actually, why? Because it's we divided in two. So firstly, today we discuss on the first plant protection appliances of dusters, and the remaining part will take in next lecture, so that where we'll discuss in the sprayer about. So let's see in detail about the plant protection appliances. So plant protection appliances is nothing but it's a one equipments or machine, any type that which is used for application of pesticides. Why? To control the diseases, insects, even some weeds in the crops. So what may be the chemicals that used? So this sprayed or dusting through this the plant protection appliances or any machine. Why they need to apply it on plants and soil in the form of spray or dust or mist for the proper dissemination, for proper uniform distribution point of view, the equipments need to dusting, spraying, some like the mist or like that purpose. So generally the two equipments used called as dusters and sprayer. So let's see in about dusters. So dusters means what? It's a one appliances or equipments or machine that is used for the spreading the fine particles for the in the soiled matters on a target, like in case we that want to control the diseases, so it's a target. If you want to control the pest or weeds, so this is all the targets. So what may be the dry dust formulation of pesticides, so we have to uniform dusting through this duster equipments is called as duster. So now let's see in the detail about its parts of duster. So the namely the typical duster parts are the hopper, or we can either say the container, blower or bellows, operating mechanism, agitator, feed mechanism, discharge line, and the last one is the mounting. So these are the major parts of duster. So let's see in the detail about the function of this all these parts. The hopper or container means what? To the function is to hold the dust. Why? It is generally a cylindrical metal vessel, and with having the lid with the bottom slightly stopping inwards for the smooth flow of duster towards the exit. So this is a hopper or container. Blower or bellows means what? To create air current for ejecting out the dust. So here also the one blower consists of an enclosed metal fan with the blades of which suck in air while revolving and force it out the loaden with the dust. So this is the blower. Operating mechanism is what? To required work like equipments, and this operating mechanism is consist of a system that having gears or cogged wheels that which enclose in boxes, that we are having the one box activated by cranking, or we that having also the handle outside by a lever arrangement or a pump mechanism. So it's a one operating mechanism. Agitator it's having to why? To steer the dust properly mix with in the hopper, that to that freely flow towards the exit point of view, and it may consist of even like a brush of Bristol, even some circular metal frame also having, and the revolving work. So it's a called as like agitator. Feed mechanism means what? It's a the feeder assembly that consists of an arrangement where that to convey the dust as it flows out of the hopper and mix with the air, and what may be the suck towards the blower from which it is ejected outside and uniform dusting. So that known as the feed mechanism. Here having the discharge line, and the discharge line having consist of a light metal lance, flexible hose, and spreader, that nozzle fixed at the end, that which help to the that distribution or that for the dusting time. And lastly the mounting. Mounting it's a one like as a with a sprayer or having that consist of a frame stand, straps. Or why? Because it's necessary to that to the join the parts together and can carrying the unit while operating time. So this is all that the parts of the dusters. So read all this one. Okay, so now the which are these different types of duster? So let's see in the first the rotary duster. Rotary duster, in other word, we can say the crank duster or hand type dusters. So they are vary in design and maybe shoulder mounted, even also the some back mounted or belly mounted. So these dusters, the capacity of this rotary duster is 4 to 5 kg of dust, and which is enclosed the fan gear to the hand crank and the hopper holding the dust also. And generally this rotary duster is used for dusting the field crops as well as the vegetable and small trees and some bushes in orchards. Time this duster is used, and it produces is a steady even a cloud of the dust when the crank is turned at a uniform speed as the operator moves along. The hopper is provided with mechanical agitator and feeding mechanism here also that having, and this is overall this duster information. So now the next one, knapsack duster. This knapsack duster is also that used against different crops, vegetable, and for mainly use in spot application. And this capacity of this knapsack duster is 2 to 5 kg. Now the next one, power operator duster. This may be from knapsack type also, with having the engine motive power to powerful row crops or tree dusters that use, and which is pulled by the machine like a tractor. And these dusters are highly useful for covering the larger area and tall trees that in very less time to cover the large area on use in the many orchard and called as this power operated duster. Now the next one is the plunger duster. This plunger duster is also this made up of metal air pump that having the dust chamber and discharge and which are assembled together, and this air pump consists of a pump cylinder inside here, and which is a plunger rod with a pump. And this capacity of this plunger duster is half kg, and it is used in mostly in kitchen gardening. So this is all these dusters that is generally used for the in many crops, even some also that soil spot application, so that having the many importance. This is overall. In next lecture we'll see in detail about the next part of sprayer. So thank you.